Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up. Okay guys, this is always exciting when the Allure box arrives. This is a $23 a month box. This is a box that was one of the first boxes that I started with on my channel because this was around $15, and they were actually one of the first boxes to increase their prices because they were going to be putting higher end brands in here. And everybody was like, they were going a little bit, not happy about the increase. Now, this is one of the less expensive boxes based on how all the other boxes have had to increase just based on the times. But this one here is truly a box that is a true luxury. And what's nice about this box, for the $23 that is free ship in the USA, there's always a discount code. And this is another box that I go on before the month is up, or right at the beginning of the month, where we get to go through the spoilers on this, and we get to learn a lot more about the box, about what is going to be in the box. And then if we know there's a discount code as well, and there always is. So always check the website with Allure when you're ready to sign up, because there will always be a discount there to help you get your boxes at a lot less. All right, so this is what this looks like here, and I always share with you, there's usually a fantastic deal where you can sign up yearly, which is what I did last year. But the only thing is, when you're signing up for a yearly, you are locking yourself in dollar-wise ahead of time for the whole year. So that's something you have to keep in mind as well. And until there's a fantastic deal that usually sometimes happens, Black Friday, all that time is like this time of year. That is, until I see those type of deals, that's when I make my mind up to switch from going to monthly. So right now I'm on a month-to-month, so I'm paying that $23 free ship, but the values in these boxes are always absolutely fantastic. And the brands that they put in here are always, to me, more than worth the value of the box. And then on top of it, you get a brochure. And inside the brochure, it gives you a lot of information, and it always usually gives you another discount code for the actual brand's website as well. So and then they have these limited edition sales, which I'll share with you at the end of this video as well. So the first item that is in here is one that I have shared with you on my channel from when I started my channel. I got introduced to this brand 111 Skin through another box. And actually that other box right now is, they're running the edit sale on Ipsy. But when I got introduced to this, it was with their vitamin C serum, which blew me away. I could not believe the difference that I saw in my skin. Then we had the opportunity through Ipsy Shopper and some other programs that they had to try a lot more from this brand. And I even did a featured video only on this brand, that I wanted to share more information about it, because as you know, on my channel, it is informative. I like learning about the brands, the products, and then of course the deals. So if you love that type of information, then this channel is for you. So this one here is from 111 Skin. It is a Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Now I got this first in an Ipsy Summer Edit box kit all the way back in August of 2019. That's how long I've been enjoying and sharing about this brand. I also got this in a Glam X in May of 2021, and then on top of it, there is an edit going on right now where this is one of the products that is in the edit that is available in the shopper at Ipsy's as well. But if you're getting this box, to me, it is such a treat. This one, it says it is called the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. And they're saying why we will love it. They're saying this is the kind of serum that you look forward to putting on each morning. It is a silky blend of rose water, niacinamide, and actual gold that will keep your skin hydrated and soothed. It helps even out your skin tone. It also has a rose gold tint that is brilliant as any brightening makeup. And they mean that figuratively as well as literally. It brightens up your complexion on the spots for a radiant, fresh-faced look. They are super excited to give you a full-size bottle of this serum, and this is a $135 value. This product used to only be available in some of the higher-end stores in London, And I think it was Harrods that had the exclusive to this brand for the longest time. They simply say to pat 3 dropfuls over your skin and top it with your hand along with your cheek for an extra pretty glint. Like, this is a $20 20 ml bottle, and it is $134 value, or $135. This one here you'll see with the dropper, and I'll see if I can open this here. It has this rose tint to it. So this will definitely give you the radiance. You also, like I share with you all the time, when we get these high-end products, and especially when they're boosters, what I have learned about boosters is you can add them into your serums, you can add them into your moisturizers, you can add them into your foundations, anything that you want to give it a little boost to add skincare to your cosmetics. And also, it doesn't like counter, you don't need to put it first to let it soothe into the skin first, which we have to do with a lot of skincare. A booster is actually strong enough and concentrated enough that it can work with others. So that is what this looks like there. Do you see how radiant that is? It is just beautiful. And there's usually no scents on these products either. Really excited about that. The next one is an absolute treat. This is a scent that I got in a glossy box, and I got it only in a small vial, and I got it in the summertime. And then I also think, I think it was only in glossy box. But I was so excited that this, when we saw the sample size of this that was going to be in the spoilers in the box, it was going to be one of those fantastic little bottles, which a lot of times Allure does that for us, and it is such a treat. So you get this, and this can definitely go in as a stocking stuffer, because these are really expensive high-end perfumes. And this is this not the cutest? This is like, I used to have in my other home where I had a tray that was filled with, you know, a lot of miniature bottles and things like that. All my whole perfumes, it was on a mirror tray, and I used to love keeping these out. I think they're so decorative and so beautiful. But the scent on this is spectacular. This is the Viktor & Rolf Good Fortune. It is the mini replica. They're saying every bit as comforting and gorgeous as their big bouquet of flowers from a loved one. This is a warm blend of jasmine, bourbon vanilla. It is a cozy floral that you'll want to smell like all winter long. It says, instead of spraying your bottle or a blotting applicator, which they feel is so romantic and very fitting for a warm floral scent, this dab onto your pulse points, your wrist and your neck, and feel very old Hollywood. And this is, for a 3 ounce of this, would be $168. But Viktor & Rolf makes some of the best perfumes, and this is such a treat. And the scent on this is, for me, perfection. Then the next one was the one that intrigued me the most when we saw about this. And then I instantly started following the creator of these brushes on Instagram. And the brand is called Cara Lucy. And these are her brush set. And when I went on her site, I got to learn a little bit more about them. And I took the opportunity during the spoilers to share that with you guys as well. So if you want to know more information, you can always check out Allure spoilers for November 2022, where we really go into a lot more detail than just the unboxing. This one says these are her brushes that deliver impressive softness that makes blendable powders and creams a cinch. That is a multitasking tool that is super travel friendly because of their short handles. Not to mention the slate gray color is chic and looks great in any makeup bag. The larger one is called the Cachet Cream Blush. It is great for base, foundation, as well as contour, while the Hush Hush brush is awesome for the smaller application like eyeshadow, concealer, and your new other product that is in here that is from Laritzi. This together is sold as a pair at $55, but they're also sold individually on her site. She also, because she's so excited to be in, she gave a discount code, which is simply Allure20, and you can go to her website and receive 20% off full size items and full price items that are valid from November the 1st through January 30th, which is amazing, of 2023. And what made these brushes so unique is the angles. So you're able to actually pat things in and then have the angles and the edges to be able to really manipulate the creams as well as the foundations and concealers. I am so excited to play with these. And if you've gotten your boxes already and you've had the opportunity to play, please share your experience down below in the comments. But this was one of the products that I was really looking forward to playing with. That is a new brand to me and a new concept of how a brush is made. The next one here is from the brand called Laritzi. And this is their cream highlighter, and it is in the shade called Virtue. And I assume all of us are going to be getting this color. They're saying this is an ideal rose gold highlighter. It has a slightly shimmering finish that reads as dewy. It is not a disco ballish. It is a creamy formula that blends like a dream. It says, with your fingers or that new brush, blend the highlighter onto the tops of your cheeks and over your lids and along your cupid's bow for a hint of sheen. It's made for a very pretty, very angelic, monochromatic makeup look, all on its own. This is a full-size item, and it is a $20 value. So they usually promise us at least 3 full-size items in this box. And this one, they also have a promo code for this brand, and it is Allure20 at checkout, and you will receive 20% off on your order, and there's no restrictions at all. I'm not going to be swatching this because I have so many highlighters and I rarely use the cream ones, but this I think is absolutely beautiful, and I'm sure that in one of our giveaways that we will have in the future, it will find a happy home. The next item that we have in here is a brand that I have been using for so long. And this is usually at this time of year when I usually grab these in kits because they come in so many fantastic scents. But to me, this one is their original. And this is from the brand called Rakuten. And it is a shea butter hand cream. And it says, when cold weather chaps your hands, you have a heavy duty cream that will deliver hydrating refreshment while going on easy and grease free. The shea butter formula softens and soothes stressful hands, and the comforting smell is clean and crisp. Smooth it on once or twice a day for pampering your hands that stand up to all the elements. For the full size of this, it would be a $30 value. And the size that we're getting in here is going to be 1 ounce. And the full size is 5 ounces for that $30. And this one, they also have at Rakuten.com. If you enter Allure10 at checkout, you will receive 10% off the full size shea butter cream. And that will be valid November 1st through January 31st of 2023. And these are fantastic. And when you open these up, you will see that it is completely sealed, and it is a very thick cream. You need very little. And like they said, it is such a luxury cream. And when creams are made with shea butter, it is such a beautiful, beautiful product. So this is one that I'm so excited that so many people will have the opportunity to try, because this is actually made in France. So it is a really high-end brand. The next item that they sent in here was another deluxe sample size. And this one is from Nature Lab Tokyo Repair Treatment Mask. I've gotten other masks from this brand as well as a shampoo and a conditioner, and I enjoyed it. This one here is a lightweight mint green cream that spreads easily throughout your hair and instantly makes your hair softer and easy to detangle. It also will treat your scalp to the ends with hair strengthening keratin and bamboo extract and moisturizing argan oil. It simply says run a dollop through the freshly shampooed hair in the shower, then rinse after 3 minutes, and will also cause your hair to be less frizzy. And I love when that's even mentioned, because that's everything I look for in these type of products. The full size of this would be $17 for a 6.7 ounce. And this one here is just a deluxe sample size. And this one here says they also have a code if you go to Nature Lab, that if you enter 2020 Allure at checkout, you will receive 20% off, but it's not valid on any gift sets or subscription products that cannot be combined with any other promotion, but it starts now, and it's of November 1st and through December 30th of 2022. So this, they're saying, has that green tint to it, and that's what that looks like here. I'll just open it up a little so we can see the consistency, but it simply looks like a mask. Very, I love the scent of these products. They're very refreshing, and they're just very clean. It is just such a nice product. And if you're able to help calm the frizz or help, do a little bit more than just a normal mask, where you could actually get it into the scalp through the ends, those are always the products that I look for, because your scalp needs treatment too. And I love being able to do that. And with this product here, like I said, I've used a few in the past and I have great success with it. And it's called Nature Lab Tokyo. And this one is their repair treatment mask. Then they also have some deals that are going on. And this is what I share with you all the time, because when I started with Allure, I went on to Allure for their monthly boxes through Amazon. And I have both my links down below. So if you're interested in the boxes, please make sure to use my links. I really do appreciate it. But what ends up happening is these, when I was getting it through Amazon, I wasn't getting the special deals. So that's why I say to you, go to the Allure website, because if you want to get a discount, you can only get the discount on Allure's website and use it on Allure's website. Those discounts do not work on Amazon, as well as having access to these fantastic deals and these limited edition boxes that I share with you all the time on my channel. I always share with you, but these deals and these limited edition boxes are only available on Allure's website as well. So if you always want to know what I do, that was how I started, but literally for the last 2 to 3 years, I have been getting it monthly from Allure's .com, which is where my account is, and I've had access to all of the deals, all of the sales. And when I get a special deal, I always take the time to share it with you guys so that you guys can have access to that special deal as well. So saying this season holiday will round up the beauty gifts in beauty. They have Allure.com exclusives, and you will see those deals as well. And then they also have, like we have in some other boxes now, where they have some of the higher end brands at really attainable prices, like Sunday Riley, like the Tori Bell, like Tula, like U Beauty, which was one that I got introduced to through the Allure Beauty Box, and it is absolutely fantastic. Dr. Brandt, all the names that you're buzz that you read in all the magazines. They also have gifts ideas under 100, under 50, all of that. They also have a lot of tools. They also have some of the duals that a lot of us had the opportunity to get Charlotte Tilbury in this box as well. You could still get those products at discounts in their store as well. They also have on the back of the brochure a gift if you have some men in your life that you want to have them get a box. This looks like it's going to be a quarterly box. It says this season give him the GQ box straight to the guy's doorstep. It says every box will be worth $200+ for only $40 per quarter, and he'll get 4 boxes and more than $800 worth of the latest GQ approved essentials every single season. They also have a code called Holiday 30 that for $30 off any annual gift subscription of the gq.com/gift now, and that's the information that is on here. So I wanted to share that with you as well. And that is everything that we have. There was also a card inside that there is a sale that's going to be going on. Their biggest sale of the year is coming to the member store that is going to start on November 24th, and it's going to run through November 4th. So I want to make sure to share that with you guys as well. And that's all the information I have for you guys today for the Allure box for November. If you've gotten your box already, make sure to share in the comments if you've had the opportunity to share any of these goodies and what your thoughts and feelings are on them. I would love to know that as well. All right, take care everybody, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye for now.